Steel. Strong. Versatile. Formidable. We at the voestalpine Krems Finaltechnik use these qualities to our advantage. In order to create customized solutions through expertise and innovation, 220 people give steel a meaning. Because highest quality, for us, is the only option. With countless kilometers of installed vehicle restraint systems, we ensure more safety on Europe's roads and contribute to protecting people's lives. Because every life counts. We're your partner for efficient and sustainable storage solutions because every millimeter helps when it comes to space. More than 1,000 successfully completed projects worldwide. Up to heights of 50 meters. Each of them unique. Each of them tailor-made. We shape the future.
Excellent.
Honest.
Innovative.
Sustainable.
Accountable. Customer focused.
Reliable.
Collaborative.
voestalpine. One step ahead.